Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a very simple prawn recipe yet a very delicious one. The ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are: I have taken 400 grams of prawns. I have removed the shells and cleaned it. Here I have taken 3 large onions and I have cubed them. Here I have taken 4 green chillies and I have slit them, cut them into small pieces. Chilies, it depends how you want. Here I have taken few curry patta leaves. This is optional. Curry leaves, it's optional. If you want, you can give. If you don't have, no problem. Here I have taken little bit of corn flour. This is near about half a teaspoon. Here I have taken salt. This depends on our taste, and little oil for cooking. So the first thing that we are going to do for this recipe is I will add little corn flour to the prawn. For 400 grams of prawns, I am adding just half teaspoon of corn flour and salt as per our taste. Little bit salt. And we are going to mix it. Mix it nicely. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to heat oil in a karai and I'm going to fry these prawns. Here I have heated 3 tablespoons of oil for frying the prawn. My oil is already heated, so I'm going to reduce the flame before dropping in the prawns. Then slowly I'm going to drop in the prawns. Please reduce the flame while you are adding the prawns into the pan. And now cook it on medium flame. Fry the prawns on medium flame. Please keep in mind, do not add more corn flour to the prawn or else it will become hard. So please add little corn flour just to coat the prawns. So I'll fry the prawns on medium flame. Now our prawns are cooked, they are fried. You just need to fry this much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these prawns in a separate bowl and I'll also reduce the oil. Here I have taken out the prawns in a separate bowl and here I have taken out little oil. So in this karai I have near about 1.5 tablespoon of oil left. Now my next step will be, I'm going to add the curry pattas in the oil. Let it splutter a bit. This gives a lovely flavor to this recipe. Now I'm going to add the cubed onions and the green chilies. You can increase the flame and saute this till the onions become a little bit pinkish in color or translucent little bit. After a minute of sauteing the onion and the green chilies together, my onion is almost done. So now I am going to add the fried prawns. And I will saute this for another minute on a medium flame. This is a super easy recipe, friends. My mum makes it every time. So this is her recipe. And since today is a birthday, so I am preparing this for her. So I'll cook this for near about 1 minute. Here, friends, our recipe is already ready. As you can see, our onions are cooked, our prawns are cooked. Friends, I have added salt only to the prawns. I have not added salt in this onion. So while adding salt to the prawn, you have to keep in mind that that is the only time when you add salt to this recipe. It's done. I'll close the flame and I'll transfer this to the serving bowl. Here is our super easy prawn recipe ready. It goes well with a cup of steamed rice. Friends, you can reduce the green chili in this if you are preparing this for a child. Also use very little corn flour so that your prawn does not become hard while frying, and curry leaves are just an option. This is a very simple recipe with very few ingredients, and it doesn't take time to prepare this. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. We'll see you again, friends. Bye.